another very fascinating physics project, and this is going to be presented by two of our lovely juniors at Harmony Science Academy, Houston High.
Okay, so here we have an infinity mirror, and it's pretty much two mirrors, making it appear as if the mirror goes on and on forever, even though it's just like a simple box. And here we have a vortex mirror, which makes the pig inside appear as a hologram on top.
That's really, really cool. Now I can't think of mirrors the same, because you think that they just sit in your bedroom and you can't really do anything with them, but they actually prove a lot. Thank you. We have a really, really fascinating and interesting experiment here, presented by a sophomore and junior from Harmony. Now it's called the rotating chair. Can you guys explain to me what that is?
The rotating chair is basically explaining the law of conservation of momentum. So for example, like ice skaters, when they spin on one foot, as you see on the shows, that they're basically conserving their momentum on the spin.
Thank you. And honestly, this can be used in a variety of ways. Now up and coming in our society is new methods of energy, like wind energy. And this proves a lot about how wind energy is so efficient, and I think we need to start using it more. Thank you. Harmony is honestly very fascinating. We have a futuristic layout of how Harmony would look like with all these different versions of energy use. Would you guys please like to explain a little bit more about how your project works?
So our project is called the Electromagnetic Train. Basically what happens is that the battery, when it gets connected to these magnets, and when you pass it through the wire, it's supposed to run really fast.
Physics, of course, we experience friction every time we do anything. So when you actually put it through, sometimes it'll stop. It'll move for a second, but then it'll stop. But you see, and it's actually rejecting the magnetic force. But when it does move, it's because when you present magnets and copper wire and a battery, you have the magnetic field just around it that's propelling the train forward.
This is a smaller demonstration of our project. Basically what it is when the wire is attached to the magnets and the battery, it allows it to spin really fast, which is basically what's happening with the train.
And also, along with this, for like a real life application, we actually have these like in carousels, and also for the maglev trains, we have them in Thailand and Singapore, just like for transportation. And Tracy here is going to explain like why these are such good trains.
They're basically eco-friendly because they don't have an engine in them, so you just use magnets, and so there's no fumes being let out, and they're very safe and they're very fast, and they're being used even in Japan at the moment. They can go 300 miles an hour, and they're also being used in downtown Houston.
That's really cool. So this kind of gives you a basic understanding as to how better it is to just like improve our technology and our different types of transportation, just for the betterment of the world in general. Thank you so much.